Let's talk about SiO2 and what it means in the detailing world. SiO2, or silicone dioxide, is a compound commonly used in detailing products as a key ingredient in ceramic coatings and sealants. Ceramic coatings are a type of protective coating applied to a vehicle's exterior surfaces to help protect the paint from elements and provide a high gloss finish. SiO2 is a key ingredient in ceramic coatings because it has excellent bonding properties and it creates a strong barrier against water, UV rays, and other environmental contaminants that can damage a vehicle's paint. SiO2 has a high level of hydrobicity, meaning that it repels water and helps prevent water spots from forming on the surface. Sealants that contain SiO2 can also be used as a standalone product to protect a vehicle's paint or as a top coat to enhance the protection of a ceramic coating. SiO2 is a versatile compound that helps provide long-lasting protection and a high-gloss finish to a vehicle's exterior surfaces. SiO2 can be found in waterless washes, ceramic coatings, quick detailer sprays and waxes, and also sealants.